First one's on the mountain.
Today we are on Trolltunga. We are climbing up to the middle parking lots to begin our hike today.
We just passed a guy who asked us if we knew about the rain, and we said yes.
This is the closest we've ever been, gentlemen.
Oh, so fun!
This will be great. Alright, we found the start of the trail. As it turns out, it is not marked at all. It's just sort of a path on the ground. But it's got some rocks on it, and we'll feel it out. This is a very well built up trail. Lots of ropes and rebar holding all the rocks in place. Classic angle bracket. Good welds, a little flappy, but probably okay. Not really required. This one's kind of
I'd like to say hi to my family, my mom, my dad.
Oh, here comes the rain.
I think I might need some rain jacket background. Hi, Dave.
Oh, hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
I hate using this rope. I'm not going to use it.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it either.
Trust it, and then I'm not trusting my footing, so I've been getting bad footing every time I use it.
Agree. Good flat spot.
Anybody needs to get back to the parking lot, this is the fast way right here.
Yeah, that'd be pretty quick.
I don't know if I'm going to trust that.
I will. Never mind.
I'll stand on it for you.
I ain't doing that. Multi-step. Genom skog över hav och fjäll. Vi ska gå till Trolltunga.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh yeah.
Boy, check this slippery rock.
Probably more. Nothing to grip onto.
Which way does the trail go? This way?
I think this way.
Here. There we go.
Whoa! Yep, good thing I got that. Also, the backpack sucks. It's getting soaked. Footage. Backpack. That's too bad because I have my core layer in there. So that gets wet. No more core heat. But so far this hasn't been too bad. A little bit of rain, a little bit of wind, but not horrible.
There's water in my pocket right now.
You got water in your pocket going ching-a-ling-a-ling. No way is particularly the wrong way. Down. Down would be the wrong way. You had to take the loser trail.
I'm an egocentrist.
What? Who's shooting that?
Someone's having a bad day.
Yeah, really.
Who's this? Some random dude's face.
Where are we? Oh, wow.
Camping prohibited.
Yeah, we're almost at the end of the first 3.5 kilometers.
Let's go! 19 to go. Trolltunga!
Yeah. I was gonna say a little review on this L Bean backpack. The zippers are really like water resistant. There's a little bit of like leakage at the zipper, but the membrane is waterproof. So I'm at least happy for that.
Yeah.
You know.
Kind of just hanging out. Just hanging out in this little rock groove. I almost like went to put my glasses back on my face, but I took them off a long time ago. Yeah. Because I cannot see out of them.
Low-key, I was thinking about getting those goggles from MI4.
There, what?
Hey, if we just go right over that ridge, we'll find a pot of gold. But there's no gold at the end of the rainbows in Iceland.
Why? It's only in leprechaun country.
Oh. Yes. Yes, dude. Look at that pole. It gets better and better.
That is not a pace that lasts very long.
Yeah. Ah! You good?
Who do you think I am?
Ha ha ha! This is so.
I like these boots. Can I just say that?
Yep. You know, I was kind of worried we'd have to walk up a waterfall. There's literally a sheet of water coming down this. He's telling me to cut off, but I like the awkward quiet. When nothing's happening, it's the true trail vibes. Because the second I stop recording, something funny happens. See, watch this. Well, you won't get to see. What do you made it to halfway point? Halfway point. Hey, there we go.
We strongly recommended to turn back.
Yeah.
Hope.
But we're not, of course.
We're already sopping wet. Can't get much more cold than this. Yeah. But we have Saigamon.
We got Saigamon! But we're doing all right.
I'm not eating Saigamon.
Did Saigamon?
Oh, Joe's gonna crash.
But the young
He said
guy,
talk to the guy at the top. The guide said
Which we didn't.
turn around. Well, the guide said to turn around.
Here we
But
go.
we're gonna give it a shot.
Which means they're gonna really think we're done. All right.
Let's go. You're gonna see the waterfall coming straight up. That looks pretty windy. Right on the edge.
wow.
I guess we got a rope here. Oh yeah. You better grab it, Ethan. Oh, you got a fall edge.
That would suck.
That would suck, yeah. Just take that one step at a time. Can't rain on you if you're in the cloud. Adam just looks like a Jedi. Floating out there. It's a troll! It's a troll! What?
You should have told that trail guide, hey, you need to turn back, but it's gonna get worse. You should have said, I live in Louisiana, we get hurricanes. You said it's gonna get worse than that.
Sick! It just keeps getting better. Oh my gosh! Holy cow! Oh, look, he's coming straight up. Oh my gosh! This is unreal. Knocked off by a laser bolt 400 years ago in the Great Intergalactic Purge. Filling up that memory card. That's gonna be full.
Hey, this is Lord of the Rings stuff.
Yeah. Now remember, Ethan, we got bad weather up ahead.
Gotta get to the top, man.
Gotta get to that tongue.
Alright, that is just mean and scary. We We have a troll under the bridge. Mr. Troll, may we cross your bridge?
This is the only camera that's still we want to pull out. Yeah, really. Big troll. We're almost there. So close. There's snow up there. Wait, is that it? The wind is just pelting. The rain is like tiny knives driving into your eyeballs. Just bring more. Where? Wait, okay, there's moment of truth. Is it truly a dead drop? Ah. Oh, that's not bad. I'm gonna send them down and get their picture. Hey, Joe! 6 feet! 6 feet! This is the best spot. No! No! Oh, it's not so bad down here. 6 years ago, I took the same video at Preikestool in Stavanger. The GoPro was not rolling. Yeah.
Take your legs. Do it. This is the best spot right here. You can actually keep
Okay.
Move down a bit. Can we move down a foot?
Okay. We did it. All right, let me slide over.
More, a little more. That's good right there.
Oh, really?
There are.
Oh, crap.
No, those aren't people. People just drop their backpacks because they're being dumb.
Yeah, baby, we made it. All right, I'm backing out of this.
Wait, picture. We got it. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm shaking from just like adrenaline or...
You're shaking because you're scared. Just feel me.
Okay.
Feel me. Still as a rock.
Yeah.
So insane.
All right, do it.
No more rock for you. Oh, that's a death edge. This?
No, there you go.
Death edge. Unbelievable. Heart can't take it anymore.
No!
I'm not going down there this way. It's dry.
I agree. Wise decisions all the way. Nothing but wise decisions here today. We're the king of wise decisions. Oh yeah. There's some real weird green quartz in here. Yeah, this is weird green Oh, that's a rare form of aluminous magmus, commonly known as some moron's trash. Nice. Clean.
Can't believe it's still in one.
That was really tough. Well done, Joe.
Let's go!
You see the wind take that?
Yeah, it looks like flying sideways. We got a good stretch of weather here. No rain, no slamming wind. This is the most green place I think I've ever been. It's not like green, like lush green. It's like weird green, moss green.
It's like
It does look a little toxic. That wind is cutting. Yeah. It gotta be in at least one of our pictures. I got a video of it. Taking a video of the weird green rocks. Yeah. It's all pelting rain right there. It's a tough hike back. If you get yourself up somewhere, you gotta get yourself back down.
I agree.
That's the rule.
I know what it looks like when people near fires go out.
There's P2, the leg back down to the parking lot. So we got about 800 meters straight down to climb after our second 5-hour hike. P2. We also gotta find Ethan's hoodie, which he stashed here when we thought it would be a warmer day.
It was not a warmer day.
Literally just like a waterfall going down this path. That's pretty. Pretty slick.
My body hurts.
Shooting man! So does mine.
Go to school. Guess what, Ethan? I still have all my teeth.
And so do I. Except for the 6 that I had taken out surgically.
Oh, puddle.
Good job. We made it! Yeah!
Freedom.
I don't want to slip. Oh my gosh. I'm so close.
Trolltunga conquer!
Ah!
Let's go.
I'm found the hoodie. Yeah, we found Ethan's hoodie.
Let's go to the top. Let's go check it out.
Let's go get dry. 7 hours, 53 minutes.
That's for us. And that's from P2 to P2.
Yeah. We beat the time, guys.